is Kaylin.
My name is Giselle.
And I'm Gabe.
Hello, I'm Kimberly.
I'm Parker.
I'm Avery.
Hi, my name is Caleb, and I'm on the USU Gear Up Bus Tour 2021, and yeah, I'm super excited to be here.
I always knew I was going to go to college, but this has really helped kind of look at colleges in state and really focus on what each college has to offer.
This experience has definitely been an eye-opening experience. It definitely is a way to help expand your knowledge on what college is.
Before this trip, I did not know exactly what college I was going to go to.
So I've always known I would be college bound, but I was never really sure what college to go to because every college has so many different options, and I just didn't really know too much.
The most valuable part of this whole trip was getting to know the different environments that all colleges bring, and overall just finding the one that best matches what I'm looking for.
This has just helped me open my mind to more of the colleges and help me feel like I can find a better fit for me than just my original plans.
I wasn't thinking of going to college until I went to the bus tour, and when I went on this, it just got me thinking maybe I'll fit into this and I can find something that could be more of me and just help me be more social with other people.
This has really helped me kind of gravitate to more colleges that I didn't think I would previously go to.
I think the most valuable part is one-on-one interaction you get talking with, on the tour you get to talk with the advisors and advocates, and it was really helpful just to hear from personal experiences on what it's really like to be at college.
At first I was a little bit skeptical. I'm like, oh, you're just be in a bus with a bunch of strangers. But no, I have met a lot of really good friends on this. I've been able to go out, go into my own home state, look around, and really kind of figure out what I want to be. And coming to this bus tour helped me to figure out where I want to go and what kind of experience I want to have during college and how far I want to go with college. Do it 100%. As soon as you find out, sign up.
The sooner you can do it, the better. Just get out there, go start learning about colleges because it can help you so much prepare for college.
You have so many fun activities, you see so many new places.
This bus tour has really helped me just to understand the campus life on college, what majors they offer, and really has helped me to realize I need to spend more time focusing on the college I should choose.